महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सदस्य श्रीमद भक्ति वेदांत स्मयी महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव विष्णुवृंद, मातृवृंद, गुरुकुल सज्जनवृंद, हरि कथा विपास श्रोतृवृंद, सभी के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथार्थ दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार हो। प्रथम जम साधन श्रद्धा के बारे में श्रवण कर रहे हैं। जिस तरह से भक्ति विनोद कैसे हम नाम ग्रहण के बारे में बता रहे हैं, क्योंकि श्रद्धावान जन मन।
So we were hearing about the bhajan rasa. So here Bhaktivinoda Thakur is telling about how we should chant the holy name. So who has the faith, he is the adhikari of bhakti. Can you please check that? Can you hear me? Haribol. The Facebook viewers, can you hear me? So that's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying that how we have to chant the holy name, and especially leaving aparadh, we should chant the holy name. Can you hear me? Please check. If there is a fire is burning, then how you can destroy the fire? So when you will put the fire into the fire, water into the fire, so the fire will be destroyed. In Australia there is a davanal, so by the friction of the trees there is a fire comes. So for getting rid of that fire, we need the water for destroy that fire. Raskhan used to say one katha. Then if there is a fire into the water, that how you can destroy that, which is called parvanal, davanal. We used to say early in the morning, we used to chant Sansar Davanal. Thank you, Prabhu. Haribol. Thank you. So we always discuss about Sansar Davanal. So how you can destroy the Barvanal? Barvanal means, so when the fire comes after the friction of water in the sea, ocean, so when the waves comes ups and downs, so by the friction of that there is a fire comes. So how you can destroy that fire? This is strange. There is everywhere, fire is everywhere. Everybody will be turned into the ashes. So for busting or for destroying that fire, we need, what kind of water we need? That is Bhagavad Naam. Leaving Bhagavad Naam, there is no other way for destroying that fire. So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the Shishtashtak, he told 8 shlokas. So he told in that shlokas everybody the same thing. Cheto Darpana Marjana. Every day we used to chant that how we have to chant the holy name. So again and again there is a question arise. Mahaprabhu is saying himself, Hey Sarup Damodar Rai Ramanand, please listen to me. What is the meaning to chant the holy name?
नाम अपराध में भी बहुत कुछ प्राप्त हो जाता है।
So if somebody is chanting Nam Aparad, so he will get so many things.
नाम अपराध से भी धन ऐश्वर्य से प्राप्त हो।
So by the chanting of Nam Aparad, Dhan Aishwarya can be attained.
नामाभास में क्या मिलेगा?
What you will get after Namavas?
मुक्ति तो प्राप्त हो।
Even you can get liberation by Namavas.
अशुद्ध नाम में
And the pure name, Shuddha Nam, you will get the love of Bhagwan, Bhagavad Prem.
इसलिए धन
That's
संपत्ति
why
अथवा मुक्ति हमारी
Dhan
लक्ष्य नहीं,
Sampatti and the liberation is not our object.
अर्थ, काम,
Moksha, Dharma, Artha, Kama,
ये
Moksha.
हमारे लक्ष्य नहीं।
This is not our target.
हमारे लक्ष्य क्या है?
What our target or object?
कैसे प्रेम का?
That how we can attain the love of
प्रेम का
Bhagwan.
बिना मोर व्यर्थ
Jivan.
चरित्र जीवन
Charidra Jivan.
तात्पर्य वेतन मोरे देह कृष्ण प्रेम
Dhan.
महाप्रभु प्रेम।
So Mahaprabhu is saying in this way,
आने रजत कांचन आमी आमी दिव्य मागो कृष्ण प्रेम का। महाप्रभु का है
Mahaprabhu is saying to Sachi Mata,
इस संसार के पुत्र आदि जो है
in this world, or the son and daughters of this world,
अर्जन करके बहुत दूर देश
after getting the after acquiring the education, they used to go abroad for studying or for earning money.
वो धन के विनाशशील है
But what that dhan is destroyable. It is very temporary
और दुखदायी भी है।
and it is very sorrowful.
क्योंकि महाप्रभु का है
But Mahaprabhu
आमी आमी
say-
दिव्य मागो कृष्ण प्रेम धन। तो माँ मैं कौन सा प्रेम दूँ?
Hey Ma, what kind of love I will provide to the Jagajivas? Krishna Prema.
किंतु वो कृष्ण प्रेम कैसे प्राप्ति हो?
But how you can get that Krishna Prem? How you will get that?
इसमें कहे जे
That's why it is saying here.
प्रेम उपजा। इस प्रकार नाम जप करने से
So by chanting in this way, you will get the love of God, love of Krishna. So how you can get that? So we will discuss about that. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur in the Bhajan Rahasya Granth, step by step, he is providing his views.
जैसे आप कई दिन जावत हम लोग
Just last few days back, we are hearing about that how we have to chant the holy name.
क्यों इतने दिन तक भजन करने
Therefore,
पर भी
after worshipping or after chanting, performing bhajan so many long days, why we are not chanting the pure name of God?
सारम हृदयम बदिरम जब दृश्य माने परिणाम है विक्रय से दास तो इस श्लोक में बोलते जा रहे हैं
So in this shlok, it's saying,
नाम करने पर भी हृदय द्रवीभूत नहीं
if after chanting the holy name your heart is not melted, the tears is not coming out from your eyes,
है शरीर में यदि रोमांच
if there is no, your body is not trembling or there is no goosebumps is coming from the body, then what we should think,
हमारे हृदय कैसे है
so if our heart is like a stone,
पठान से भी
is hard than stone, our heart is hard than stone.
तो ये पाषाण शरीर प्रशांत शरीर जो है अपराध हृदय को कैसे हम परिवर्तन करें?
So we have so much aparad, so how we can destroy our aparad, how we can removal from that aparad, and again we have to chant the holy name.
अभी हम यही श्रवण कर रहे हैं।
So now we are hearing about the Naam. Yesterday we have heard
क्या था? ये नामार्थ चिंतन
Namartha Chintanam.
नाम मंत्र आदि जप करने के समय
At the time of chanting holy name,
उसके चिंतन करें।
we should think about that.
इसके बाद में हमारे श्री विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद
That's why our Vishnu Chakrapat, he is telling about the Mantrarth Vidhi,
कैसे नाम करना चाहिए?
that how we have to chant the holy name, how we have to chant the name.
जब तक भी शास्त्र में लिखा है
Even in the scriptures it mentioned,
नाम मंत्र आदि स्वतःस्फूर्त होकर के प्राप्त होता है।
Naam and Mantra chant spontaneously.
स्वतःस्फूर्त कोई जरूरत
There is no need to force it.
निष्कपट होकर के कोई यदि भगवत नाम मंत्र आदि ग्रहण
By the
करे,
simple heart and without the cheating propensity, if somebody chant the holy name, so it will reveals all the things in the heart of sadhak.
और उनके शिष्य
So in the Brad Bhagavatam, Gopkumar and his disciple Mathur Brahman, there is a story you have heard about.
गुप्त कुमार अपने जीवन चरित्र सुनाया
Gop Kumar told the story of his life story. Hey Mathur Brahman, later his name became Jani Sharma.
ये कैसे मैं
That how
नाम और मंत्र मेरे गुरुदेव से प्राप्त किया।
I acquired the Naam and Mantra from my Guru.
बहुत लंबी कथा है।
There is a very big story. I have already told about that.
उनके मंत्र देने के समय उनके गुरुदेव क्या हुए?
So after giving the initiation or mantra,
याद है?
his Guru's name is Jayant.
भगवान के गुरुदेव के
So
नाम
Gop
क्या है?
Kumar Gurudev name is Jayant. So after giving the name of Gop Kumar, he got fainted.
सेम कहने मेरे गुरुदेव जब मुझे
So Gop Kumar saying himself, when my Gurudev gave the mantra to me, so he got fainted.
मंत्र देने के साथ ही साथ
As well as the time he has given the mantra to me, so he got fainted.
अक्षर भी नहीं बताया।
Even he didn't tell me the meaning of the mantra.
अक्षर गोपाल मंत्र गुरुदेव बोल दे दिया।
So Gurudev gave me the Gopal mantra. After that he got fainted. He didn't tell me the meaning of that mantra.
कैसे जप करना है?
So how I have to chant and what is the process, he didn't tell anything about.
फिर गुरुदेव अंतर्ध्यान हो गए।
Then Gurudev was disappeared.
किंतु देखो
But look,
मैं नित्य प्रत्यह
every day by my firm faith
सरल विश्वास के साथ
and with firm faith I was chanting that holy name. I was chanting that mantra. Shri Krishna
और
Gopal.
देखो माथुर ब्राह्मण भी
And then Mathur Brahman,
उनको कहाँ से मंत्र मिला?
so he got the initiation of mantra from
कामाख्या देवी मंदिर में।
at the Kamakshi Devi Mandir.
ब्राह्मण वो चले गए
So the Mathras Brahman, he went to Assam and there he got the mantra.
मैंने कहा था मेरे गुरुदेव
Yesterday I used to tell you that my Gurudev used to preach there.
आसाम में चले गए।
So there is a school in the Kamakhya, Assam. There is a temple,
रात में सपने में आ
and in the night Devi came into the dream and she gave the mantra to that person. So he got the mantra from there.
जिस कथा प्रसंग हम करें
So the katha I was telling about you, Gop Kumar is saying Gurudev didn't tell me the meaning of that mantra, but
मंत्र की अर्थ क्या है
what is the meaning of the mantra? He didn't tell me anything.
और उसके कैसे जप करना
And
है क्या है?
how I have to chant that mantra and what is the process of that mantra, he didn't tell me anything. From east side, north side, west side, he didn't tell me anything about.
यहाँ तो सब बता देते हैं।
Here we used to tell everything to the disciple. At the time of giving initiation, we used to tell everything to the disciple. Even the meaning we used to tell. What is the meaning of the mantras?
कौन कितना परिमाण करते हैं?
But how the disciple is chanting in which variation, he knows only.
किंतु यहाँ पर भक्तिविनोद
But here Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying,
ये देखो
look,
ये 5 प्रकार विधि के जो है
there are 5 kinds of process we have to follow very as
मंत्र पंचांग के
firm faith.
साथ जप करने से शीघ्र ही मंत्र की सिद्धि होती है।
So mantra siddhi will come after chanting the mantra.
पंचांग क्या है?
What is panchang that? We have heard about
ये
this.
मंत्रार्थ चिंतन,
First is mantrartha chintan.
मंत्र की अधिष्ठात्री देवता की चिंतन करना।
So we have to chant the Adhishtatri Devta of mantra. Gayatri mantra, Guru mantra. At the time of chanting Gayatri mantra and Guru mantra, we have to remember about the mantra Adhishtatri Devta.
और
And
मंत्र की अर्थ
we have to understand the meaning of the mantra. And the second,
न्यास मुद्रा आदि का
Nyas Mudra.
विधिवत करना पड़ेगा।
We have to,
जैसे अभी अभी श्रवण किया
as you have heard just
विधि
about,
मार्ग के अवलंबन के चलना पड़ेगा।
so we have to follow the Vidhi Marg.
यदि विधि कहते विधि मार्ग रत जने स्वाधीनता रत्न जने राजमार्गे करण प्रवेश, उच्छृंखल होकर के भजन करे तो शक्ति नहीं होती।
So we have to follow the bhajan in according to the Vedic culture.
हरेर भक्ति उत्पाद की
Kevalam.
इसमें विधि को जो है
So that's why we have to follow the Vidhi Marga.
अभी अभी श्रवण किया
You have just heard about Raghunuga,
रागानुगा
Vedi Bhakti and Raghunuga Bhakti.
विधि भक्ति विधि को लेकर भी चले।
So vidhi means we have to follow all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. And the sadhan bhakti,
राजभक्ति,
sadhan bhakti, vidhi bhakti,
दोनों
raganuga
भक्ति के
bhakti.
जो है आपको पालन
So you have to
करने के लिए
follow
पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा?
both of the time kinds of bhakti. But first you have to follow the Vedi
नियम
bhakti.
कानून पालन करें.
Rules and regulation you have to follow of the scriptures.
जब तक नियम हम पालन नहीं करें
Until you will not follow the
तो
rules,
आगे बढ़ नहीं पाएंगे.
you cannot make a progress in bhakti. This is the process.
इधर भी कहीं
Here it is saying also,
भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
Bhaktivinoda
लिखते हैं,
Thakur is
मंत्र
writing,
का एक बार उच्चारण करने से कृतार्थ होती है. यह सत्य है.
this is true.
एक बार मंत्र
Once,
जब हो ही जाता है,
once you chant the
बार बार
mantra,
क्यों करें?
then why you chant again and again?
तथापि शास्त्र में विधान
Still it
दिया
is mentioned in the scriptures
है,
this is
नियम करके पाएं.
that you have to chant the mantra every day.
श्री संध्या
Every day 3 times.
मंत्र जप आदि करना चाहिए.
You have to chant the mantra
3 बार.
3 times in a day.
प्रातः काल में,
In the morning,
दोपहर में,
in the noon, and in the evening.
दो संध्या एक ही बार कर लेना है.
हैं?
दो संध्या तो पूरे ही कर लेना. संध्या शाम को.
तो गुरु के ऊपर निर्भर है. गुरु
It's-
जैसे निर्देश देते.
It's totally up to the guru. The question arises here, somebody, that if you chant one time
और कितने बार मंत्र जप
two
करना
mantras
चाहिए?
like.
10 बार, 8 बार, 12 बार.
So Gurudev is
8
saying
बार.
that is totally up to the guru. How he instructed you, you can chant accordingly. So
फिर
how many times you have to chant one mantra? 10 times, according to what your guru told about.
हैं? मंत्र देवता के चरण में ही
So while chanting the mantra, we have to remember the mantra's adhishtati devta. So this is the prapatti.
है? और चौथा क्या है?
And the
शरणागति.
fourth one is sharanagati.
इस संसार में मैं दुखित हूँ.
In this world I am so much suffering.
हैं? पीड़ित.
I am so much suffering in this world.
यह जान करके
So thinking that
उनके चरण में अपने को,
we should take the shelter of,
है, समर्पित होना.
we have to surrender ourselves in this way.
फिर आत्मनिवेदन.
And then Atma Nivedanam.
मेरा जो कुछ भी है
So whatever I have,
सब गुरु और भगवान के
it's
चरण में.
all goes to Guru and Gaurang.
महाप्रभु ने कहा,
As Mahaprabhu told,
है, प्रभु कहे गया यात्रा सफल हमार जतक कान देखिलाम चरण तुम्हारे. है, ये देह समर्पिनो तुम्हारे चरण है. महाप्रभु ईश्वर परिवार को कहने
so
लगे,
Mahaprabhu saying to Ishwari
हे
Prabhupada,
गुरुदेव,
Hey Gurudev,
आपके चरण में मैं आपको समर्पित कर.
so I am surrendering myself into your lotus
क्या
feet.
समर्पित करेंगे आप?
So what he has to surrender, what we have our own.
है? है कुछ तुम्हारे पास?
Do we have something our own?
क्या दो?
Nothing.
बोलते शरीर का है.
So we have our body, so you can surrender your body to your Gurudev.
आज एक गुरु
One,
एक व्यक्ति नित्य प्रत्यह
there was one person, every day he used to hear the Harikatha to the Sadguru.
कथा सुनते सुनते
So while hearing Harikatha,
चिंतन करने लगे.
so he was thinking in his mind,
वास्तव रूप में यदि भक्ति करना है,
if I have to perform actual bhakti, so I have to take the shelter of Guru.
गुरु भवन भी
Tare na koi, vanchi Shankar samahoi.
तो गुरु के चरण आश्रय लेगा.
So we have to take the shelter of Guru.
दीक्षा
So he was thinking that now I have to take the initiation with Guru.
अच्छा. तो कहने लगे गुरुदेव,
So he was saying, Gurudev,
मुझे दीक्षा मंत्र दे.
please give me the initiation.
गुरुदेव कहने लगे,
Gurudev said, okay,
काल सुबह आ जाए.
come in the morning.
है, स्नान आदि
After
करके,
taking shower
नया-
and
नया
and
वस्त्र धारण करके, तिलक
keeping
करके,
clean cloth, put on the clean cloths, and according to the vidhi you can come
मुंडन करा करके,
and shaved your hair. Come in the morning, early in the morning.
है. तो
So
फिर कहने लगे, गुरुदेव,
so he was saying,
आप
Gurudev,
बताओ,
please tell me.
दीक्षा तो आप देंगे.
So you will give me the
आपका दक्षिणा क्या
initiation.
है?
So what kind of dakshina I should give you?
है? गुरुदेव बोले, देखो,
Gurudev
मुझे
said,
दक्षिणा नहीं चाहिए.
listen, I don't need anything.
है? तू अपने के दे दे बस.
So you can give to me yourself only. So he was not able to understand. So he said, Gurudev, please tell me what kind of money how much money you need.
है? आप जो आपके मन की जो इच्छा
So
है,
whatever your desire you have, you can please tell me.
है, मेरे पास पैसा कमी नहीं है.
I don't have lackness or shortage of money. I have lots of money. Whatever you want, I can provide you.
गुरुदेव ने कहा,
Gurudev
एक काम
said,
कर,
okay, do one thing.
सबसे जो है
So the things you have which is lowest you can give me, which is the worst thing you can give me,
जो कोई काम का नहीं है,
which is not usable for you.
हैं? जो वस्तु तुम्हारी कोई
The thing which is not usable to you, you can give me that.
है, वो वस्तु। अच्छा,
Okay.
रात भर सो नहीं पाया वो।
So whole night he was not able to sleep. Whole night he was thinking,
रात मेरा क्या हुई?
today, tomorrow I will take the initiation. So I have to give something to Gurudev. What kind of dakshina I should give to him? And Gurudev told me that I have to give him the worst thing of mine, which is not usable for me. So Gurudev, he was thinking whole night, what should I give? So whole night he was thinking like that. So when the morning comes,
प्रातः काल में वो
in the morning, so he used to go toilet.
पानी पीने के बाद
After drinking water, he went to toilet.
हाँ, जब पायखाना करने में रुपये आई, यही पायखाना जो है सबसे जो है
So he
क्या
was
है?
thinking this potty, the shit is the worst thing of mine, which is not usable for me.
क्या गुरुदेव यही चाहते हैं?
So what the Gurudev need this?
इतने समय पायखाना कहने लगे मानो अरे मूर्ख,
So the potty said that time, the shit said, hey Moork, why are you thinking that I am the worst thing?
अच्छा बताओ
Tell me one thing,
काल रात को क्या खाया था?
whatever you have eaten whole night, laddu, kachori,
हैं? मिठाइयाँ खाई थी?
many kinds of sweets you have, many kinds of things you have eaten. So yesterday I was, these kinds of dishes,
बहुत सुंदर
I was
स्वादिष्ट
very tasty.
मिठाइयाँ
I was so much tasty sweets last night, and the puri and many things I was.
केवल 3-4 घंटे तेरे साथ मेरा संबंध।
But I had just association with you 3-4
और
hours,
मेरा क्या हो गया?
and I have become potty. I have become the shit.
हैं? आप मानो 10 बजे खाए,
So let's suppose that you have eaten the dinner at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. and you go to the toilet 4 a.m. So in this 6 hours,
पेट के साथ मेरा कितने घंटे
so
संबंध
in
हुई?
this 6 hours I had association with you. So all the beautiful tastiest things became like this.
हैं? काल मैंने क्या था?
So yesterday I eaten laddu kachori, puri. I was puri, and today I have become the shit.
पायखाना बन के इतना दुर्गंध।
And
तू ये बता,
so tell me one thing here.
तो इतना दिन तो श्रवण किया तूने,
You have heard so many things from your Gurudev of the scriptures.
क्या श्रवण किया?
What you have heard about from your Gurudev?
इसके संग करने से
अरे,
सद्गुण आता है।
After association of someone or something, you get the sadgun,
से दुर्गुण आता है।
and after association of someone, you get the durgun, the bad qualities.
और साधु हम कैसे समझें?
How we can justify that he is sadhu or sadhu?
इसके संग से मेरे
After
सद्गुण
getting
आता है।
somebody's association, if you getting good qualities, so he is a good sadhu, and after getting association with somebody, you are getting bad qualities, it means he is a sadhu.
दुर्गुण आ जाए। तो कहते गए, वो मानो कहने लगे, पैखाना कहने लगे,
So the potty was
काल
saying,
मैं रात 10 बजे के पहले क्या था?
yesterday before 10,
हैं?
I was beautiful puri, tasty puri.
भव्य पूरी था। हैं? और इसके बाद तेरे पेट में
And after that I have gone to your stomach, and now you see the condition of mine. So now you are getting the point.
जब संगति पुरुष है,
So this is all
जो व्यक्ति जिस पुरुष के संग करते हैं,
so the person who is getting the association of that person, so according to that he will getting the good qualities or bad qualities by the
ये
association.
बताओ,
So tell me one thing.
मुझे आज तू दोष लगा रही हो।
So you are blaming me today that I am the worst thing of yours.
किंतु निकृष्ट कौन है?
But who is the worst thing? You.
हैं?
You are the worst.
संगति तो एक
Because by your association I have become like this.
अच्छा है कि
So by the association one can justify that he is a good person or bad person.
हैं? एक बोरी आलू रखा है ना मेरे साथ।
Just let's suppose there is a
उसके एक
bori, one bag of potato is putting in the kitchen, and if you put some wet potato with that wet bag, so what happen after some time that all the potatoes will be spoiled.
एक सड़ा हुआ आलू,
So just one spoiled potato, after association of good, he will spoil all kinds of good potatoes. So whose the fault is that?
हैं? तेरा शरीर है।
So this body, you have this body, this is the fault of your body. So that's why you should surrender.
समझ नहीं पाए।
So you are not able to understand the
गुरुदेव ने कहा सबसे निकृष्ट वस्तु क्या
things
है?
of Gurudev.
शरीर
As your
में
Gurudev told, which is the
मन
worst
तो
thing
पकड़ नहीं
you
पाओगे।
have.
मन तो कहाँ घूमता रहता है?
So you cannot understand, you cannot hold your mind or your heart. You are sitting here and your mind is gone without ticket, without passport, is without visa. It's wandering here and there, is visiting everywhere. So after some time it comes back and gone away.
वो लॉकडाउन भगवान कुछ नहीं मानते।
So the heart never thinks about lockdown and anything.
मन जो है
So
लॉकडाउन लॉकडाउन ये सब कुछ नहीं
so
मानते।
man never thinks about lockdown and anything.
कहाँ चले जाते हैं?
So he can go anywhere.
सारे विश्व ब्रह्मांड भ्रमण करके
So
आए।
he can visit all the Vishwa Brahman.
मन को कैसे वापस?
So how you can control your mind?
इसे करें
That's why
पहले हमारे पास क्या है? इसे महाप्रभु तक कहा है।
That's why Mahaprabhu is saying,
तुम्हारे चरण है। इस शरीर पर हम पहले तो समर्पण करें।
first we have to surrender our body to in the feet of
शरीर
our
के द्वारा
Gurudev.
हम गुरुदेव की सेवा करें।
So by the body we have to serve our Gurudev.
अभी कथा में आई
So now we are coming into the kathas.
शरणागति के बाद
Atmanivedanam. The fifth one is Atmanivedan. Whatever you have to surrender into the feet of Gurudev.
जो मेरा जो कुछ भी है
So whatever I have,
उनका
it's all, it's
मेरा
Gurudev.
नहीं है।
It's not mine.
जहाँ तक भी सभी वस्तु
All the things
गुरु और भगवान की।
belongs to Guru and Bhagwan.
सर्वोदम
Yagat Tesham
कश्यप
Svidhanam.
इस संसार में सभी
So
वस्तु
in this world everything belongs to Bhagwan.
अर्पित करो।
So that's why we have to surrender and offer everything into the feet of Bhagwan. This is the best policy.
है? इसलिए कहा जाता है
So that is called Sharanagati.
स्वापदिकरी वैनु परम सुखी दुख दूरे गेल चिंता ना रहित चौदी के आनंद देख आत्मनिवेदन।
This is called Atmanivedan. Surrender yourself.
ये पांच प्रकार विधि
So this kinds of five limbs was shows.
भगवान में भगवान के नाम में नहीं लगा
So still after that, if your mind is not concentrating or not concentrating about Bhagwan, so what you have to do? Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying further.
है? सुंदर श्लोक बताते
It's a very beautiful shlok. Is there?
गतभिजीत निद्र एको निर्विन्द्र इच्छित पथो मितभूक प्रशांत यद्यवच्युते भगवती समनन सज्जे नामानि तत् पठित द्विज कहते
Which
यदि
one?
भगवान अच्युत के नाम मन में निविष्ट नहीं
If your heart is not
है, तब क्या करो?
observing into the
इस नियम के पालन करो।
form of Govind, so you have to follow some rules.
है? ये नियम बताए हैं।
So there are some rules.
क्या करना चाहिए?
What you have to do?
नक्तम जीवात गतभि जीत निद्र है? निद्रा पे जो है
You have to give up your laziness, the sleep.
क्या करना चाहिए?
What you have to do?
दिवारात्र
Day and night,
रात भगवान के नाम जप
you have to chant the holy name of Bhagwan. Nattam Divata.
गतम भी जीत निद्र देखो निर्विन्न इच्छितो है पतो मितभूक प्रशांत है मितभूक
Mitabhu means
अल्प आहार करें।
just take a little food only.
विद्या के कितने लक्षण बताए गए?
There are how many kinds of lakshan or symptoms telling about Vidya. If somebody acquired knowledge, so how many rules or he has to follow?
क्या-क्या चीजें बताओ? काक चेष्टा
Bhakvodhyanam,
ध्यान सुनो निद्रा है? अल्पाहारी
Alpahari, Gratyagi.
विद्या
So these are five qualities who would like to acquire Vidya, the knowledge. They has to take a little food only.
यह पर करें पांच प्रकार के जैसे ये तो क्या बोले श्लोक बाहर के श्लोक है
This is an external shloka. It's not belongs to
सुभाष
bhakti.
सच्चिदानंद के श्लोक है, हम लोग स्कूल में संस्कृत पढ़ते
So
थे।
when we were studying in school, so we used to chant this shloka. So this belongs to the kakacheshta, means this is acquiring the material knowledge, I think.
चेष्टा होनी चाहिए। हैं? प्यास लग गया,
Kakacheshta means if you are so much thirsty in the
उसने
summer,
देखा कि एक बोतल में थोड़ा सा पानी पड़ा हुआ है।
so the crow saw that there is a little bit water into the bottle.
बार-बार उस पानी पीने के लिए प्रयास
So
करे।
again and again he was trying to get that water. So how he can take that water? It was so much mellow. So that's why in the Upanishad there are many stories. So one by one he was putting the stone into the bottle,
और फिर वो
and after that what happened? So the water is coming up. So this is kakacheshta. Bhagavad dhyana means
बगुला क्या करता है?
what Bagula, the swan, is doing.
ध्यान करता है।
He always meditate.
तथापि बगुला कपट है।
Even this swan is so much cheater, but we have to take a lesson from him, that
हमें शिक्षा
we have to take a lesson from everybody. Kawa, the crow, is very rascal.
तथापि
But how he is very Bakula is the city, but
हमें शिक्षा है। मछली पकड़ने के लिए है। मैं इसलिए उदाहरण दे रहा था।
so why I was giving you this example.
विद्या अर्जन के लिए कुत्ते के भांति।
So acquiring the knowledge, just like you have to sleep like a dog. Many people doesn't take the dinner at the night time.
ऊपर में इतने खा लेते सुबह
Some people used to take a lot at the lunch time.
अनुकूल हो।
So we should take according which is favorable for the body. I'm not commenting on anybody. Some people used to take, we have to be alpahari.
जहाँ पर हमारे शरीर के
So
अनुकूल हो।
which is favorable for our body. If you won't take a little bit, so you cannot rise up early in the morning.
भोजन उतना ही करे।
So we should take food which is favorable for our body.
अधिक भी आहार करना नहीं
If you
चाहिए।
take a lot, not less.
अनुकूल।
Anukul, it's favorable for your body. And the fifth one is Grahatyagi. Grahatyagi means, what is the meaning of Grahatyagi?
झंझट से
So by all the material relationship you have to keep yourself away from that.
एकांत स्थान में
You should stay at isolated place
अध्ययन आदि करें।
and you should study there.
ये उसी प्रकार
In this way,
भक्ति भी उसी प्रकार करें।
so we should perform bhakti.
इसलिए यहाँ पर भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर
Here Bhaktivinoda Thakur is writing, Prashant means who has the keepness in their heart, calm is in their heart. If your mind is not stable, you cannot perform bhajan. Why our mind is disturbed? Because when we have so much desires in our heart, so our mind disturbs.
मुक्ति मुक्ति सिद्धि कामी अकली
Ashanta.
मुक्ति मुक्ति की पथ में जो आते हैं
So, who are performing the path, who are following the path of Bhakti Mukti, they are always disturbed. But who is the devotee of Krishna, they are always stable their mind. They are very peaceful always.
जब भी अच्युते भगवती समन इसी प्रकार
In this way,
भगवान के नाम ग्रहण करना
we should chant the holy name of Bhagwan.
और सज्जन नामानी उसी प्रकार
In this way,
भगवान की नाम जोर से
we should chant the holy name of Bhagwan very loudly.
अत्यंत जोर
Hare Krishna,
कृष्ण
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
हरे राम राम
Ram Hare.
इसी प्रकार
In this way, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying here,
अधिकारानि पठेत् विलज्य विलज्य लज्जा
Vilajja means we have to give up all our shames.
लज्जा छोड़ करके
Lajja means we have to give up every shameful activity.
आज ये विधान दिखाए हम क्या
Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying in this way that how we have to chant the holy name. Then after that Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
जो जातरती साधक
so he was talking about the Jatrati Sadhak.
नाम करते करते
When Jatrati Sadhak chant the name,
यानी
in this first chapter,
निशांत लीला की चिंतन
which is called Nishant Leela, they have to remember the Jatrati Sadhak. So Jatrati Sadhak has to chant and has to remember the pastimes, Nishant Leela. So there are beautiful example is given here.
सारे रात्रि जो है
Whole night, Radha Govind, Madhur Leela there was a beautiful pastime. They spent a beautiful time at night.
परिश्राम तो हो गया पढ़ने का और निवृत्त निकुंज कुंज शरण की
So Radha and Krishna, they are sleeping at the night in the Kunj.
उज्जवल प्रभा
So from their body there is a beautiful effulgence. The aura is coming out,
मणि के भांति
just like Sphotic Mani and the Swarn Mani.
नीलाभ और
Nilava, just like blue golden complexion are coming from the body.
कृष्ण जो है
And Krishna is
शांति कैसे
Krishna's complexion is like blue,
नील आभा जैसे
just like
और
a
राधा
sky.
के अंग कांति कैसे
And the Radha Rani's complexion is golden.
दोनों की ऐसे सुंदर सुंदर जो माधुर्य अंग कांति एकत्र मिलित होकर के
So when the complexion is meeting,
सारी तरफ से इतनी
so
उजाला
all
है।
over the Kunj there is a beautiful light
और
is coming.
एक दूसरे के साथ इतने सुंदर रूप में है, एक दूसरे की आलिंगन करके सोए
So bad hugging each other,
और सखियां जो है
and all the Sakhis they are staying outside.
छोटे 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 जो झोड़ोखा जो होते हैं उससे
When
और राधे के ऐसे सुंदर जो
So
माधुर्य जो है
the Sakhis of the Radha and Krishna, they are taking a darshan from the little window outside from the gate.
इस ग्रंथ में
So this is all described in the Shri Krishna Bhavnamrit Grantha.
इधर वृंदादेवी
Here Vrinda Devi,
विचार करने लगी
she is thinking
प्रभात होने वाले
the day is
उनका
going,
तो उजाला हो
the sun is going to rise.
है किंतु देखो
But-
जुगल सरकार जुगल किशोर किशोरी
But the Yugal Sarkar, then Yugal Kishore and Kishore, they are sleeping still.
वृंदादेवी के
So Vrinda Devi is thinking down how I can wake up them.
वृंदादेवी व्यस्त हो कुंज नना रघु उठाइल सुख सारी पद सुनी उठे राधा नीलमणि सखी गान देखी हिष्ट महिला वृंदादेवी
So Vrinda Devi,
विचार कर
she is thinking
इन लोग को कैसे देगा
how I can wake them up.
इसलिए वृंदादेवी पहले
So first Vrinda Devi,
दूसरे में छोटे छोटे जो
so there is a beautiful words in the nest. So she inspiration to that words,
अपने पंखा
that-
ऐसे हिला
that words are chirping there while flying their wings.
कभी कभी आप लोग
Sometimes when you go to picnic into the forest, so when you sleep one night, so then you will realize that if you slept one night there, so you will realize that things.
बड़े बड़े अट्टालिके चाहे
But nowadays there are too much big stories building all around everywhere, so you cannot see these kinds of things. So for realizing all these things, you have to go to the forest, even in the Vrindavan, into the forest. Even actually we are not able to see the actual Vrindavan. Everywhere we are seeing the buildings, historical buildings here.
जो है ये
But
वृंदावन की महिमा दर्शन कराए और निवृत्त निकुंज गृह में है जब
So,
सरकार
in the Nikunj, when Yugal Sarkar was taking rest, at that time Vrinda Devi, what she is doing, she is giving the inspiration of the little birds that they are chirping and flying.
और पक्षी वो ची 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 ची
They are chirping there.
और फिर
and then
पंखा से जो है ऐसे झटपट झटपट शब्द करते
so they are doing ups and downs their wings in the nest. Have you seen this?
हैं।
Yes, I have seen this background of the behind of the mutt. I have seen.
किंतु देखो
Look,
जुगल सरकार
Yugal Sarkar, they are sleeping because they are and they are sleeping still.
फिर वृंदावन
And then Vrinda Devi, what she did,
समय उसी वैसे
because the time is passing on,
फिर वृंदावन ने क्या की
then Vrinda Devi,
हैं? एक कखटी बुरी बंदरी जो है
so there is a old monkey, lady monkey.
और वो आकर के
So she gives the inspiration of that lady monkey where the Radha Govind was sleeping. So she was like doing like ha 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 ha, as Banda does like monkey used to do.
छत पर आप सोते हैं ना
So if you sleep on the roof, so you will hear the sound of the monkeys like.
हैं? और चादर ओढ़ करके और बंदर बीच में चादर पे खेलने में मैं सोचा ए कौन है
So one day I was sleeping on the roof. So what happened? After some time, monkey came and he was snatching my wet sheet on my blanket. So this is the nature of that monkey.
फिर मैं जब उठा
So when I woke up, I saw the monkey was attacking on me. So I just slapped him and he went away. So in this way, it is describing.
कखटी नाम से कोई बंदरी जो
So
है
there is a name of Kakkati, or lady monkey. So she was roaring like this.
गोविंद की निद्रा में बैठा
So she was disturbing the sleepness of Radha Govind. At the time, what happened?
अरे हमारे प्राण प्रियतम
One Sakhi say, "Hey Raman Manjiri, our Pran Priyatam is sleeping. You go and
कखटी के जो है भगा दो।
our Pran Govind is sleeping there. So you go and Kakkati Bandari,
अच्छा
the monkey, lady monkey of Kakkadi." So still Radha Govind was not woke up. So Vrinda Devi now thinking what to do now.
इतने समय
So at that time,
देखो ठीक 4 बजे को
at that 4 a.m. who wake up? You know,
उनका है ना
crow.
पुकार को करना शुरू कर
You know the crow always do kokorko.
इतने समय है जो मैं बोली अरे
Like cocks.
तुम ऐसी क्यों शब्द क्यों कर रहे हो
So the Yogma said to cocks that why are you doing like this? Because they haven't complete their sleepness.
जम जम घर में
So if you do this thing again, so I will slap you. So Yogma is saying like this.
आपकी ये जरूरत नहीं
Because at that time 4 a.m. the cocks will give you like alarm at the 4 a.m. Have you seen around the cocks around?
मुर्गा किसी घर में उधर आसपास में देखो
If you see the cocks everywhere, so he at the sharp 4 a.m. he will give the alarm. Kukurku kukurku.
थोड़ी जगह में बजा देते हैं। मुर्गा बिल्कुल वो नहीं करता। उसके गदा सुन करके कोई सखी कहने लगे,
So hearing his voice, that Sakhi was saying, hey cocks, if you do this again,
तुमको कहाँ भेज देंगे
then I will send you the Yamlok.
जब घर में
Yamghar means after cutting his head.
वो तो डर गई मुर्गा बंद कर और बिना भी विचार
So the cocks were afraid and he stopped his voice. So Vrinda Devi is thinking that now sun is going to rise. When the sun will rise, so all the Brajvasi will come out from their house.
देखे जुगल सरकार
And when they will see that the Yugal Sarkar are sleeping, so what to do then? So now she is thinking so much disturbed that what to do now. Now Vrinda Devi is thinking what to do now. At least what happened, Vrinda Devi,
हृदय में प्रेरणा दी
she gave the inspiration Shuk and Shali.
शुक्र सारी क्या बोले
Shuk and Shali, what they said?
यमलिखिया अरुणोदय वृंदा देवी दत्त कुंज नारायण कराई लो सुख सारी शब्द सुनी उठे राधा नीलमणि बहुत सुंदर श्लोक है
So this is a very beautiful shlok.
शुक्र सारी
Shuk and Sari,
अत्यंत सुंदर
beautifully,
सुरेली संत
very beautiful tone,
कीर्तन करते
they are doing the kirtan of Radha Govind Leelas. So this all describing the Radha Govind Leela.
उसमें ये श्लोक आ रहे हैं
So there is a shlok is
ये जटिल शब्द आ रहे हैं
Yajavi.
अर्थात सूर्य के रश्मि
It means the light of the sun,
रेज ऑफ सन वो मानो
the rays of sun
आज
is coming towards earth.
जटिल शब्द की संजय राधा जी क्या सुना
So that
जटिला आ रही है।
so she heard the Jyoti words that Jatila is coming.
देखो जो महाभागवत होता है
So
ना,
who are the Mahabhagavad?
वो जो कुछ शब्द सुनते हैं ना अपने भावों के अनुसार
So whatever they heard, whatever the word they heard, so they heard according to their bhav.
है। तो उनके सेवक कहने लगे बाबा जी महाराज है, ये आपसे मिलने के लिए गवर्नर आ रहे हैं।
So he said that Babaji to meeting Jagannath Babaji was thinking, actually there was a servant said that Jagannath Babaji, somebody wants to meet you, so someone is coming to meet you.
सेवक
So he
कहने
said,
लगे, ये हरिलाल कहने लगे,
he was saying that this, hey Babaji Maharaj,
यहाँ पर गवर्नर आए हैं,
here
आप
governor is
दर्शन
coming to
करेंगे।
meet you or for taking your darshan. So Jagannath Das Babaji was thinking, Giriraj is coming.
हाँ, है, देखो।
So
ठीक उसी प्रकार
so in
से
this way,
ये जटिल शब्द है,
so light.
जटिल शब्द के अर्थ होता
So
है
Jatil means,
सूर्य की प्रथम किरण के जो है
the Jatil meanings, the first rays of sun when coming. So Radhaji heard that Jatila is coming.
बस जटिला नाम
So when she heard the name of Jatila, she woke up.
हे राधा
Then Radha, Krishna both woke up,
पहले क्या की
and what they did first?
नाम मंजरियां उस कक्ष में प्रवेश करके
Then first Manjari entered into that kaksha and that room,
वस्त्र आदि के यथार्थ स्थान पर लगाया
and they do the proper setting there, everything. And after that they enter into the kunj, and after that what happened?
आरती किया
They do the aarti, Jai Jai Radha Krishna.
ये भाव
So they do the Mangala Aarti.
इसे करें देखिया अरुणोदय वृंदा देवी दत्त होय कुंज नाना रव कराइल सुख सारी पद सुनी उठे राधा नीलमणि सखीगण देखी हिष्ट हইল কালোচিত সুললিত পক্ষ চিররবে ভীত রাধা কৃষ্ণ সতৃষ্ণ হইয়া নিজ নিজ গৃহে গেলা নিভৃতে শয়ন কইলা দুহে ভজি সে লীলা স্মরিয়া এই লীলা গাও কৃষ্ণ নাম কৃষ্ণ লীলা প্রেম ধন পাবে কৃষ্ণ ধাম भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
इस अध्याय में
in this adhyaya, in this chapter, he is giving the blessing to everybody. Falashruti.
जैसे रासलीला आदि प्रबंध
Just like after hearing the Ras Leela, what is the Falashruti? What is the fruit of hearing Ras Leela? In the same way, Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
इस प्रथम जाम
in this first yam,
साधक है निशांत प्रदा के
in the he is describing the Nishant Leela and saying,
साधक
who will,
नाम करते करते स्मरण करें
so sadhak should remember this Leela while chanting the holy name. So what happened? Actually in the form, all this Leela will manifest in your heart after chanting the holy name. So when you are chanting the holy name, you should remember this kinds of Leela.
ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में उठ करके हरिनाम
So you should get up early in the morning in the Brahm Muhurat and you should chant the Harinam and remember this kinds of Leela. In a very short time you will get the bhav. The bhav will manifest in your heart. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Chalo bhaiya. Hare Krishna Hare Gao. Krishna Krishna Hare Hare.